Hello students, we had begun with our supplementary chapter, the first chapter, A Triumph of Surgery, and we had seen that there was a dog whose name was Tricky and his mistress, that is Mrs. Pumphrey, she loved a lot Tricky and she always overfed him thinking that he is always weak. And here the author, Mr. Harriot, who is a surgeon, veterinary surgeon, almost introduced to Mrs. Pumphrey, and once Mr. Harriot sees that Tricky is not well, and he knows that soon Mrs. Pumphrey is going to contact him, and he starts preparing for Tricky's surgery. And no sooner he gets a call from Mrs. Pumphrey that Tricky is really very weak, on which Mr. Harriot, he comes to collect Tricky. And when he takes him, all the maid and all the servant of their house, the whole staff of Mrs. Pumphrey's house, all are sad, and all they go fast and take his things and put them in the car. Now till here we had seen how Mr. Harriot brought Tricky to his surgery, to his place, to do a surgery. Now let's see the further part. Read and find out. Is the narrator as rich as Tricky's mistress? Now the narrator, that is the surgeon, Mr. Harriot, is he as rich as Tricky's mistress? Who is Tricky's mistress? Mrs. Pumphrey. So is Mrs. Pumphrey and the narrators both are of same level? Their financial status is same. How does he treat the dog? How Mr. Harriot treats the dog? Why is he tempted to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest? Now why Mr. Harriot wants to keep Tricky as a permanent guest at his place? Why does Mrs. Pumphrey think the dog's recovery is a triumph of surgery? And at last, why Mrs. Pumphrey, she thinks that the dog's recovery is really a triumph of surgery, a victory of surgery. Now let's begin. All of you pay attention. At the surgery, the household dogs surged around me. Surged means to move around him. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack with dull eyes and when put down lay motionless on the carpet. So Tricky started looking at this noisy pack. Why noisy pack? Because they were all barking. So at this noisy pack with really very dull eyes, he was not in a mood. And he lay motionless without any movement on the carpet. The other dogs, after sniffing round him for a few seconds, decided he was an uninteresting object and ignored him. So what the other dogs did, any dog normally, when it comes near you, it starts sniffing. Sniffing means what? Smelling you. So when the other dogs came near Tricky and after sniffing him, for a few seconds, they thought that he is an uninteresting object. Tricky was an uninteresting object, so they ignored him. I made up a bed for him in a warm, loose box next to the one where the other dogs slept. So first thing what Mr. Harriot did, he made a bed for him in a box. One where the other dogs were sleeping. So other dogs had a box. In that box only, Mr. Harriot made another box for Tricky. At home, his night bed was different, his day bed was different, and here he made a box for him. Now, for 2 days, I kept an eye on him, giving him no food but plenty of water. So 2 days, Mr. Harriot, he kept an eye on him. Eye on him means what? He really looked after him well. He was watching him and he gave him plenty of water. Not food but plenty of water. At the end of the second day, he started to show some interest in his surroundings. So at the end of the second day, he started showing little bit of interest. Now he was recovering, and he started showing interest in his surrounding. And on the third day, he began to when he heard the dogs in the yard. Okay, he began to whip. Whip here means to cry. When he heard the dogs in the yard, okay, some dogs outside, they were barking. On hearing them, Tricky started crying, because Tricky always stayed alone. Okay, that's why he started crying. When I opened the door, Tricky trotted out. Trotted means moved out, and was immediately engulfed by Joe, the greyhound, and his friends. So when the author opened the door, okay, Tricky went out, and when he went out, he was immediately engulfed. Engulfed means surrounded, okay, by Joe. Joe is the name of a dog, and of which breed? The greyhound. Which breed he is? Greyhound. Okay, they are known as hunting dog. He and his friends were there. Okay, so Tricky was surrounded by all these dogs. After rolling him over and thoroughly inspecting him, the dogs moved off down the ground. So all the dogs, they started rolling him over, and they really thoroughly inspected Tricky. And after doing that, they left him and they went down the garden. Tricky followed them, rolling slightly with his surplus fat. Okay, surplus means extra. Tricky also started following them. Later that day, I was present at feeding time. So later at that day, Tricky was, the author was present at the feeding time. I watched while Tristan slopped the food into the bowl. Tristan is the name of a person who is working there. Okay, and what they did, they slopped the food into the bowl, spilled the food. There was the usual headlong rush followed by the sounds of high speed eating. So as you have seen, when you go outside and give something, all the dogs come running. So here the same way, all the dogs, they came rushing over there in a high speed, and they started eating. Every dog knew that if he fell behind the others, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of his meal. So each dog knew if he was late, he won't get anything, and he would have to compete with the others for the last part of his meal. So they have to hurry up and eat fast. Now, but what happens with Tricky? When they had finished, Tricky took a walk around the shining bowl, licking casually inside one or two of them. So when all the other dogs, they finished, and when they moved off, Tricky went, okay, near the shining bowls, and he started licking those bowls, but he didn't get anything. Next day, an extra bowl was put out for him. And then what happened? Next day, an extra bowl was set there for him. And I was pleased to see him jostling, pushing his way towards it. And that day, the author, Mr. Harriot, felt really happy. He found that even Tricky, he was also pushing the other dogs, and he was finding his way to have the meal. Jostling means pushing. From then on, his progress was rapid. So from that time onward, his progress was rapid. Rapid means what? Fast. Okay, from that day, his recovery was very fast. He had no medicinal treatment, friendly scrimmages. He had no medicinal treatment of any kind, but all day he ran about with the dogs, joining in their friendly scrimmages. Okay, now scrimmages means what? Fights. Scrimmages. Scrimmages means what? Fight. So, no medical treatment was given, but what was the treatment? All day Tricky was running with those dogs and having those friendly scrimmages, means fight with the other dogs. He discovered the joys of being bowled over. Bowled over means race over. Okay, here Tricky came to know that what is the joy of racing with other dogs. Tramped. Tramp means crushed. Okay. The gang, an unlikely, silky little object among the shaggy crew, fighting like a dog for his share at mealtime, and hunting rats in the old hen house at night. He had never had such a time in his life. So this was the treatment which was given for him. Okay, he was not given any medicinal treatment, but Tricky used to run with those dogs okay, have a nice fights with them, and then go for hunting rats at night, okay, fight with the other dogs like tigers. All this pleasure was never given to Tricky in Mrs. Pumphrey's house. All the while Mrs. Pumphrey hovered anxiously in the background. Okay, so Mrs. Pumphrey, she used to come and she used to hovered means hung, okay, over worrying, anxiously means worrying in the background, ringing a dozen times a day for the latest bulletins means news. Okay, so here Mrs. Pumphrey, she really loved Tricky a lot, and she was really very anxious about him, what happened, and so she used to ring a dozen times to the author to know about the latest bulletin. I dodged the questions about times a day for the latest bulletins. I dodged the questions about whether his cushions were being turned regularly or his correct coat worn according to the weather, but I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and convalescing rapidly. So here the author is to dodge out. Dodge out means to avoid, ignore. What type of question of Mrs. Pumphrey? Whether his cushions were changed every day, whether he was wearing the correct coat according to the weather. Okay, all this type of questions were asked by Mrs. Pumphrey, and the author avoided them, dodged them. But the author only said that the fellow, that is Tricky, he was out of danger now and he was convalescing. Convalescing means recovering very fast. The word convulsing seemed to do something to Mrs. Pumphrey. So after when he told that convulsing means he was recovering, okay, Mrs. Pumphrey became happy. She was relaxed now. She started to bring round fresh egg, 2 dozen at a time. Now, on hearing this word convulsing, Mrs. Pumphrey thought now he will be able to eat. So she started bringing every day 2 dozens of eggs to build up Tricky's strength. For a happy period, my partners I had 2 eggs each for breakfast. So now these eggs were not given to Tricky, but what the author and his staff, they used to have these eggs, each 2 every day for their breakfast. But when the bottles of wine began to arrive, now even bottles of wine, this was sent for Tricky, okay, they began to arrive. The real possibility of the situation began to dawn on the household. Okay, now so here what happens, the wine started coming. Okay, wine. So what happens, students? After eggs, what started coming? Wine. And then the real problem started on the household. The wine was to enrich Tricky's blood, okay, to make his blood rich. Lunch became a ceremonial occasion with 2 glasses of wine before and several during the meal. And from that day onward, the lunch of Mr. Harriot and their staff, it became like a ceremonial occasion, like celebration, to have 2 glasses of wine before and several during the meal. Okay, so this all things were enjoyed by Harriot and his staff members. So then we could hardly believe it when the brandy came to put a final edge. Okay, and afterwards what started coming after wine? Brandy was sent by Mrs. Pumphrey on Tricky's constitution. Okay, so now they started giving him brandy. For a few nights the fine spirit was rolled around, inhaled and reverently drunk. So for few nights they started giving him brandy. There were days of deep content. Okay, there were many days which gave them lot of satisfaction, starting well with the extra egg in the morning, improved and sustained by the midday wine, and finishing luxuriously round the fire with the brandy. So this was all enjoyed by the author and his staff member. It was a temptation to keep Tricky on a permanent guest. Okay, now further we will see in our next video. I hope till here you will have all understood very well.